video every Saturday. CW back with another video, and today we are trying the gummy bear on a stick. We're gonna see, and also the flavors are strawberry and the blueberry raspberry. It's red and darkish bluish. Let's see how it tastes. Wim, you get first bite. Okay. So, is it still on?
Yeah.
I'm cracking this thing open. What do you mean crack? There we go. What's that?
This is a gummy bear on a stick?
Yes, a gummy bear on a stick, and it's 100 times bigger than your regular gummy bear.
Are you excited, Wyatt?
Yeah.
We got this at Dunham's today. We saw it when we were checking out.
I'm surprised you found it on Van 19. I'm surprised we found it at Dunham's. Van 19 has one of these gummy bears on a stick. Okay, take a bite.
Oh, let's see here. How big is that thing?
That's a big boy. How much?
Wow.
Wait, is it?
Look at his
back.
back. There's something weird.
Is it heavy?
Zoom in on that baby here. Oh wow, it's like as big as your head.
What's on his back? Huh?
Just nothing.
Alright, I'm gonna take a big old chunky bite out of this. What do I bite first?
Okay, and then pass it on to the other boys.
Wait. Don't eat an eel. I'll take another eel. Did you chew? Okay, here, let me take an eel bite.
I have a good gummy.
This weighs a little bit.
I'm gonna take 2 bites on both sides.
Okay. Walker's having a hard time there, ripping its ear off.
Buddy ate his eel.
I got a big old chunky piece.
All right, give it to Dad here. I want. Well, Wyatt's going back for seconds already.
That's good.
Let's
You're
see
green.
here.
The strawberry.
Oh, poor gummy bear. He's got no. He's half his head's gone and no ears. I'll give it a try here.
Good, I want the green.
Mmm.
Okay, we'll go try green now.
It's good tasting.
After this, I feel sorry for him because of the stick.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to have a stick right there either.
Me either.
After this, if we have some left, I'm gonna start sucking on it like a real suckle.
Hey, look, I'm gonna bite a toe off.
Oh, Walker's biting his toe off.
Do you want this to look? Why did you want this to look like?
That's his arm.
Wyatt bit one off.
I'm gonna bite one off.
What was the first flavor there? Just orange?
This is blue raspberry. It's good. Blue raspberry is good.
I want some blue raspberry.
Look what I got.
So this is almost 100 times larger than most gummy bears.
I like 100.
8 ounces.
And it's 100 times smaller than the big gummy bear.
We always like to look at the facts on back here. Let's look at the facts.
It's.
Oh.
Okay, now give me.
Let's see. 200 calories. Oh, a fourth of. Oh, 800 calories.
Whoa. Hey, whoa.
Wait, give me.
128 grams of sugar. And about 170 carbs in that whole thing right there.
I'm gonna hope I'm gonna get the stick out.
So, what do you think, guys? All in all, I think it's pretty good.
Yeah.
Tastes pretty similar to the VAT 19 huge gummy that we
Big
had that
boy.
time. Don't you think?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that was our taste testing a gummy on a stick. 800 calories. Oh no, it's made in China.
China.
Working with Biden. Oh, I just cursed.
Alright guys. I hope you liked the video. Check out what we check out, Walk.
Check out 3W at YouTube.com.
There you go. 3W
Make sure to
Outdoors.
like the video and subscribe for more awesome content.
There you go.
Subscribe.
Yeah, boys, subscribe!
Subscribe.
America!
button for more incredible content by CW Outdoors. Peace. Hit the subscribe button for more great videos.
Hit the bell to be notified when we post a new video on the 3W Outdoors channel. Like and follow us on Facebook at 3W Outdoors.